Okay, now we're ready to add the doors. For the doors, there's I think a little bit of something that maybe we need to change. See, in the door for interior, we're not putting a frame. And then for our legend, we also do not put a frame. And that might be a little bit confusing. See, all doors need a frame. Okay. So what we'll do is we're also going to place the same frame here, although it will be a little bit smaller, I think. So that will be 3 feet uh, with the frame. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And so what we can do is we can copy this. So copy this, CP, shortcut key. We'll copy the door. Oops. Okay, I think this is a block. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy that, copy from here. Oops, sorry. Copy this from here to there for now. And then we're going to uh, explode this. Okay, so let's explode this, explode that, and we're going to edit it. Okay, so we're going to, did we explode already? Let's see, explode. Okay, could not be exploded. Okay, some reason this cannot be exploded. Okay, so we cannot use that. Uh, so rather than exploding it, we're just going to create our own. That's okay. So how do we create our own? Well, one, see, sometimes it's a lot easier to trace. So I'm going to go to my A01 door, partition door, which I do not have. So I'm going to create one layer, A01 part, and then door. A color, say magenta. Doors could be blue or magenta, right? So we'll just say magenta for the frame. Going to make that current. And then we're going to just trace this. Okay, so line. So we're in the partition door layer, line. I'm just going to trace this. Okay, so I don't have to think about it. And then now I'm going to copy or move. Move. See, I can select that because I know it will not select the original door because it's part of the block. So see, I can move that and that stays there. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to rotate this, RO, rotate this from here to there. Okay, and then I'm going to move it. Let's see, will it fit? Nope. So it's a little bit bigger, which is fine. So I'm just going to move this from mid, okay, to, so apparent mid, we'll see mid, and then, yeah, we'll just move it there for now. It's easier. And then move this, okay, move this from here to there, okay. Normally frames are bigger than the wall, so that actually looks good. Then I'm going to create another line here. Okay, and another line here. I could have created a line across, and the thick yellow line will make my thin line disappear, but I'll do it that way instead. Okay, so now I'm going to mirror. Now I need my middle line. See, sometimes it pays not to delete lines immediately. But anyway, let's create a line from mid, okay, from mid to there. And now I can mirror this lines here. So the frame, mirror this. Okay, so I've selected the frames and use this midpoint here, mid, as the mirror line or mirror axis. Okay, there you go. Now that I have that, I can now, I think I can erase this now. Okay, there you go. And then I can create a rectangle. I think rectangle will be good. But what's the opening size now? So check DI. Opening size is 2 feet 8 inches. Okay, so create a rectangle from here. Okay, and the size will be X will be 2 feet 8 inches, and then tab Y is going to be uh, I guess about I didn't check, uh, maybe one, no, not one, maybe 2 inches. We'll do 2 inches for now. I need to double check how thick this is. Okay, 1.5. Okay, so so I'm over by and a half, so I can stretch this, STR, stretch, oops, STR, stretch. Okay, I need to make it 1/2 smaller. So just create a crossing window in the middle of the line as long as it touches the line, and then I can make it thinner. See, I can make it thicker, I can make it thinner. I need to make it thinner by 1/2. So I'll type 1/2 to be exact. Enter. There you go. Now this one should be color blue to be consistent. There we go. Blue. And then I can now create the arc. So arc goes counterclockwise. Let me maximize this so I can see the colors as well. So it goes counterclockwise, so it should go this way. So I'll use arc, start, center, end. Okay, so start will be here, center will be there, and then end will be here. Okay. Uh, and then I need to make this gray. So color gray. Okay, now that I have that, I can again mirror this. So MI, so I can now mirror this, uh, mirror this, select that, select that, and then select this. Okay, see, that's the beauty of not uh, deleting this first. I can mirror that like so. And let's see, that's 3 feet. So I can make a copy, CP, previous. Okay, so that's the previous selection. So P, and then I'll copy this here, rotate. Now, why am I not making it into a block? Well, we'll have a lesson on blocks again. So I'm just showing you how to use some of the commands. Okay, so rotate. Rotate. I need to rotate this like so. Okay. Now I can now move this. Okay. I need to go to the middle of this. So I'm going to right click. Okay. Enter. Shift, right click, mid between 2 points. I'm going to say from here and that point. So it's the middle of that 2 points to that end point. There you go. So those are the doors needed for this project. Okay, so next we're going to be adding some uh, nice bathtub, toilet, and the lavatory. So we're going to salvage the ones that were here before. So we need to use those. Okay, so that's for our door. And we'll go to the next video.